Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the infix to prefix conversion. So this will be of the without using stack method. Without using stack. So you can solve this problem using two methods, that is with using stack and without using stack. With using video link will be given in description. If you see this video, that is without using stack, you will be coming to know how to analyze whether my answer is correct when you are using the with stack method. Now if they are not specified in the examination with stack or without stack, you can use this because it is very simple. Now you to convert infix to prefix, so what is the expression of the infix? So infix will be like this. So first there will be the operand 1, next there will be an operator, next there will be again the operand 2. Operand, operator. In between two operands there will be an operator. Next, this is of the infix. If you see the prefix, so how prefix will be? In prefix, first we will be writing the operator, then we will be writing the operand 1, and then we will be writing the operand 2, like this. So here they are given in this form, infix form, that is between two operands one operator is there. Our job is to convert the infix to the prefix like this. Operator should come first, then the two operands must be there. Like that we should convert. So how? Let's see. So to move on to that, first let's see the operator precedence. So the first precedence will be for the brackets. The next precedence will be for the exponential or the power. Next precedence will be for the multiplication, which will be depicted in the form of star, or division. Multiplication and division will be having the same precedence. Next the precedence will be for the addition or the subtraction. So at these cases, when multiplication and division occurs in the same question, here multiplication is also there, division also there. So what we should do is, we must be following the left to right associativity. We must be following left to right associativity. What left to right associativity tells? Just look from left to right, whoever came first, they will be having the more precedence. If you see multiplication, division is also there. From left if you come, multiplication is coming first. Therefore, the first precedence will be for the multiplication, like that. Next, for the same for addition and the subtraction also, left to right associativity. Addition is also there, subtraction is also there. When you move from left to right, addition is coming first, therefore addition will be getting the more precedence at this place. Now let's solve the problem. So if you see, the first precedence is for the brackets. So here bracket is there, so the elements within the bracket will be solved first. If you see operand 1, operator, operand 2, so this is in the form of infix. Now I must convert it to prefix. How to convert? Just write the operator first. Who is the operator? Exponential. Next operand 1 is O, next operand 2 is P. Now I have converted this much. Just write this much within the brackets, don't write the brackets. Now just copy all the elements which were in the last step. Now this full will be acting as a separate operand. This will be acting as a separate operand. Now there is no bracket, next there is no exponential. There is exponential, but this is acting as a separate operand. Now you can't consider it as an operator. So there is no exponential. Next there is multiplication and division. So who will be getting the more precedence? Left to right associativity. If you see from left to right, multiplication is coming first. Operand 1, operand 2 and the operator. This is in the infix form. Convert to the prefix form. Just write the operator first, that is multiplication. Operand 1 is M, operand 2 is N. So this full will be acting as a separate operand now. Just copy all the elements which were in the last step. OP. Just round up this because they are acting as a separate operands. Otherwise you will be confused. So I said just round up. Next, we will be getting the more precedence. Left to right, whether there is multiplication or division, you see. multiplication is there. This will be acting as the operand 1, this will be acting as operand 2. So first write the operator multiplication, next operand 1 is exponential OP and operand 2 is W. Now this full will be acting as a separate operand. Now just copy all the elements which were in the last step. Next W is over division U V star T plus Q. Now from left to right, if you see here division is there. So this is the operand 1, this is the operand 2. So if you see from left to right, multiplication is also there, but division is having more precedence. So first write the operator, that is division operator. Operand 1 is star exponential OPW, operand 2 is U. So this full will be acting as a separate operand now. So whatever the elements left in the last step, just copy them. Now again, if you see from left to right, here division is there. So this will be acting as operand 1, this will be acting as the operand 2. So first write the operator, that is division operator. Operand 1 is division star exponential OPWU and operand 2 is V. So this full will be acting as a separate operand now. Next write the star T plus Q, K plus L star Mn. So this will be acting as a separate operand now. Now if you see from left to right again, so here multiplication is there. So this will be acting as operand 1, this will be acting as operand 2. So just write the operator first, that is multiplication. Operand is star OPWUV and operand 2. So operand 2 is T. This will be acting as a separate operand now. K plus L into star Mn plus. Now if you see, we are left with the plus minus plus plus. So who will be getting the first precedence? From left to right, who is coming first? There. So plus. So first write the operator, and the operand 1 is K, operand 2 is L. So this will be the separate operand now. And just copy all the elements as it is. OPWUVT, and this will be plus Q. Now if you see from left to right, minus is there. So minus will be getting the precedence because left to right associativity. So first write the operator minus, next operand 1 is plus KL, operand 2 is star Mn. So this full will be considered as the separate operand from now on. OPWUVT plus Q. Now plus is there. So who is coming first? So this plus is coming first. So first write the operator plus, next it will be operand 1 minus plus KL star Mn. Operand 2 is star division star exponential OPWUVT, and this full will be acting as the separate operand from now on. We are left with two operands. This is one operand, and operator. First write the operator, that is plus. Operand 1 is plus minus plus KL star Mn star division star exponential OPWUVT, and operand 2 is Q. So this is the final answer. Now we converted the infix expression to the prefix expression. So how you should convert is, the operator will be in between the operand 1 and operand 2. Just write the operator first, then the operand 1 and operand 2 based on the operator precedence. Once you consider it as a separate operand, don't make it simply. Once you consider it as the separate operand, just round it up. Therefore there will be no confusion because that full will be acting as a separate operand. Now hope you understood the concept of the infix to prefix. Infix to prefix with using stack video, link is given in description. You can access it. Thank you.